Welcome back to the channel. I have a great recipe here for you today. It is my favorite tiramisu recipe. This recipe is a mix of somebody I follow on YouTube as well as pieces that my mom would do. Here are the ingredients. What you'll need is 5 egg yolks, 5 whites. You'll need 500 grams of mascarpone cheese. You'll need 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 400 grams of ladyfinger or like 1 package, and of course a little bit of chocolate powder. There is an optional of if you would like to add amaretto to coffee, because you also need about 16 ounces of coffee of your choice. It's also your preference for that, or else you just have regular coffee for it. So what you want to do first is separate the eggs into 2 bowls. So you'll separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Then with the egg yolks, you want to get half of that amount of sugar, put it with it, and you're going to combine it well. And on the side, you're going to get a medium saucepan with water and bring that to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're going to put this bowl on top and stir until you get the consistency that you want, which is like a creamy consistency. Once that is done, set it aside, turn it off, just leave it there, and we'll go on to the egg whites. With the egg whites, you want to add in the rest of the sugar and beat that until you get a fluffy, stiff peaks. And then you'll put that to the side. Now back with the mixer. In the mixer bowl, you want to add the mascarpone cheese, vanilla extract, and that mixture of the egg yolks with the sugar that you just made over the stove. Put that all together and mix it well. Now that you've combined all of that and mixed it till it's nice and creamy, then you'll want to get your coffee going. Add in the amaretto if you'd like as well. Let that cool on the side. While your coffee cools, this is the time to fold in the egg whites slowly into the mascarpone mixture. Now it's all combined, we are going to start the process of layering each level in a tray. You can get one large tray or two small trays. You're going to do a base layer of the cream. Then you're going to get the lady fingers and dip individually into the coffee and then put them neatly in a row to cover each layer of the pan. Once you have the layer of ladyfingers, then you want the layer of the mascarpone cheese. Put that, and you do again another layer of the ladyfingers. Now for the final, you have emptied and finished all of your cream. It's all on the top layer. You can go ahead and sprinkle your chocolate powder. I like to use Nesquik powder. Other people use cacao powder. It's really your preference. And there you have a beautiful tiramisu. This is a great thing that you can bring over to someone's house for a housewarming. Once it's complete, you want to put in the fridge for 4 hours, or you can leave it there overnight and then it'll be ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, a like, a share. Definitely subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. I'll see you in the next one.